Hey everyone, I'm Basanta from Smarter Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Facebook avatar. Please subscribe and share my channel and click on the bell icon next to subscribe button so you will get notified of my future videos. Now let's get started. First of all, navigate to Facebook, and on the hamburger menu, that's a 3 horizontal bar on the top right corner if you are using Android. If you are using iPhone, it will be on the bottom right corner. So and then scroll down until you see more section, and I already have it open, and click on the see more so that it will pop up all these options, and from there you'll be looking at avatars right here on the second. For me it's on the second, it may be anywhere on your screen depending on what you have available. So once you create, click on that, you'll get the if you are using for the first time, you'll get the option to choose different styles like here, your ear, nose, eye, and those kind of things. I already created, but I'm going again to show you all the different things. I'm gonna hit edit, and then I can choose my skin tone if I want. If I'm like super white, I can choose super white. You can choose your one skin type, or you can choose to have different skin type. It doesn't matter, but the real purpose behind the avatar is to reflect looks like you. So you're gonna choose skin tone first step, and then here you can choose different style, like whatever style you have. I just choose one random style, and this is the hair, and you can change the color of the hair. If you have black or brown or little bit burgundy, whatever color you have, fully gray and white, different colors, you'll have options. And right now I have a little bit of brownish burgundy kind of. So and then next step is you'll choose your face structure, what structure you have, and you may have rectangular structure, oval structure, round structure. So depending on that, you can choose this option. And this is the complexion, overall face complex, and this is the lines, like do we have any lines in the forehead or over here in the cheeks and all those. Like sometimes you may have dimple and some lines over here. You can choose to have those kind of lines. If you have any scars, you can choose right here. So next is eye, and you can choose different styles of eyes. As I said earlier, there are many different options. You can choose any one and what looks like you. So similarly, eye color, eyebrows color, do you wear glass or not, the color of your glasses, and nose style, like do you have a little nose, large nose, spreaded nose, depending on your nose, mouth, bigger lips, smaller lips, a very small mouth, wider mouth kind of, and lips color, do you have mustache or beard, and different colors of those beards. If I choose to have beards, I can choose the different colors like brown, white, and all. And this is body shape overall, whether you are super slim, athletic, heavy, whatever you are. So this is outfit, what kind of outfit do you wear usually, and this is head wear, if you wear anything on your head, and this is the color of head wear, different colors. So that's pretty much it is, and then click on the tick icon on the top right corner. It will save your options. It takes us 2 seconds, and then it saves, and it shows you can use it on the comment or anywhere. So that's pretty much it is, and thank you for watching.